Absolutely, this is a provocative, ambitious, and timely concept, and it opens a Pandora's box of implications for epistemology, media ethics, AI governance, civic discourse, and digital identity. Below is a comprehensive and wordy outline for your AI-powered news aggregation platform, RoboNews, developed by JobsCoder Works, operating on the principle that competence and proximity, not viral appeal or ideological conformity, should dictate who can access, disseminate, or act upon specific types of news. RoboNews, a competence-gated news ecosystem. If you wouldn't trust someone to manage a crisis, why let them narrate it? 1. Core philosophy and function. RoboNews is an AI-governed, blockchain-verified news filtration and distribution network that replaces today's virality and outrage-driven information architecture with one grounded in merit-based access and relevance-based distribution. Rather than functioning like Twitter, TikTok, or legacy media websites where anyone can view, react to, or distort any headline, RoboNews operates by assigning trust thresholds, competence scores, and relational relevance to individuals before permitting access to a news story. Think AutoCaren for information. Smart crypto walls, not paywalls. Access isn't limited by payment but by proof of competence and relevance tokens secured by blockchain, dynamically assigned by AI. 2. Key features and mechanisms. A. Smart access control, the competence wall. Instead of blunt paywalls or open virality, RoboNews gates content based on demonstrated competence, professional certification, verified work history, AutoCaren integration, academic credentials, community-based reputation, blockchain skill tokens or cryptographic CVS, relational relevance, geographic proximity, economic connection, e.g., a farmer gets full access to agricultural subsidies news, direct role in affected industries or institutions. Example, a Los Angeles ER nurse would have priority access to local crime, public health policy, and protest coverage, while a New York yoga instructor would not. B. Reputation-weighted sharing. When a user shares content, their relevance score is attached, meaning their opinion can be weighted or downweighted based on domain competence. Example, a teenager tweeting about mortgage-backed securities would be marked as opinion only, while a housing economist's take would distribute as tiered commentary. 3. Content flow, life cycle, and verification. RoboNews stories have life cycles that differ from traditional journalism. Sourced and verified by AI. Real-time ingestion from multiple channels, wire services, investigative sources, camera feeds, etc. AI cross-checks facts, location, metadata, blockchain-verified origin. Distributed by relevance. People don't find news. News finds the right people. Optional commentary layer. Only those with valid access may add interpretative layers, rebuttals, or policy suggestions. Comments or summaries from outsiders are sandboxed unless competence thresholds are met. 4. Architecture and integrations. A. AutoCaren integration. If AutoCaren has already verified your competences, RoboNews pulls that data to set access level. B. Modular integration with smart government services. Public services, crisis alerts, voting systems can auto-push verified info to qualified citizens. Voters may be tiered to receive different political data based on civic engagement levels or subject matter literacy. See blockchain ledger. Every version of every story is hashed and time-stamped. Journalistic manipulation or retrospective edits are visible. Time crystals of truth. 5. Use cases and scenarios. Civic crisis scenario. An industrial plant explodes. Local engineers, EMTs, regulators get full access. Unrelated influencers see nothing until cleared. Social media is auto-flagged for irrelevant viral hysteria. Legal system. A controversial verdict is issued. Lawyers, legal historians, jurors, and affected parties can contribute to interpretation. Clickbaiters and activists without context or credentials see only factual summaries. Youth and misinformation. Teenagers who've never handled a firearm or read case law can't mass distribute gun policy commentary as authoritative takes. 6. Ethical and philosophical implications. A. Gatekeeping vs. censorship. RoboNews isn't about silencing people, it's about creating tiers of narrative access based on merit, contribution, and proximity. It decentralizes editorial power from legacy institutions while protecting public knowledge from ignorance. B. Antiviral architecture. Virality becomes a function of relevance, not outrage or celebrity. This flips the paradigm of social media on its head. C. Disempowering performative activism. It ends the age of people building brands on issues they don't understand or live. It puts the microphone back in the hands of those in the arena. 7. Integration with RoboState and smart governance. RoboNews becomes part of the governance infrastructure of RoboState. Instead of being governed by narratives spun on TV or TikTok, RoboState can issue crisis alerts, make fact-based policy decisions, route information only to those in positions of real effect. Example: if a carbon-emitting factory violates air quality laws, the AI doesn't call CNN. It calls the factory. The plant is fined or corrected without a single tweet fired. 8. Gamification and reputation economy. Users can earn RoboCreds, or integrate with existing ones like CleanCoin, FitPoints, etc. You can't like or share your way to relevance, you have to earn it through knowledge or proximity. Social capital becomes intellectual capital. In summary, RoboNews is a cure for viral stupidity, a firewall against politicized misinformation, a blockchain-based truth-routing engine, a way to restore dignity and purpose to journalism and public discourse. And as Karen Jobs might say, if you want to go viral, post a dance video. If you want to change the world, prove you understand it. Would you like help drafting a visual mock-up, a landing page, or an in-universe promotional ad narrated by Karen Jobs herself?